I'm back at my buddy's shop to continue working on this motor, and I really hope I can wrap things up today and just have everything done and prepped and ready for installation. But we'll see how far we get. I'm gonna try to close everything today and try to finish everything. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna take care of is this oil pan gasket. Try to get this out the way real quick, and then we'll see what happens after I take this off. Alright, so I successfully dropped the oil pan, as you can see right there. I'm gonna go ahead and dump out this oil, take off the gasket, and put the new gasket. So I just installed a new old oil sensor I got from the yard, and there it is. And right now I'm getting ready to put this gasket on, and then how am I gonna do it? I'm only one person. Probably gonna have to hold it up with my knee. I don't know. I'm gonna put this camera down so I can put it on. Oil pan is now on and bolted up thanks to this guy. This guy does wonders. This is like 1 minute, literally, like not even joking. This is like 1 minute. If it was like just my bare hands, that would have took like 15 minutes. No, I'm exaggerating, probably 10 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm changing all my intake manifold gaskets. I just put a new PCV right here on the back of the intake manifold with the new gasket. And now I got another gasket for the front that I am about to install. Alright, so I'm getting ready to put O-rings on this cross coolant pipe right here. New O-rings for that, and then for the water pump also. Okay, so the O-rings are installed, and quick story, these are all brand new knock sensors. I went under my intake manifold on my car I'm driving the BMW right now. I went under my intake manifold to get all these 4 knock sensors that I paid for last year. Alright, so I'm making pretty good time. Install this pipe, and last thing to install is the intake manifold, and I think I'm done with this engine. Getting ready to wrap things up and throw it in. This is the final piece of the puzzle. All O-rings installed, sensors installed, oil pan installed, coolant cross pipe, gaskets installed. Last thing, intake manifold. All new intake manifolds, front, back, bottom. Time to put it in. Woo! Do the truffle shuffle.
How do you know how to do it?
Yeah, you do. I know you do. You have to. Do the truffle shuffle. This is how you do it. Having a barbecue right now, but you gotta use the flamethrower. Alright, buddy. Motor's prepped, ready to be installed. All new gaskets. Clutch flywheel's not in because need the bolts off my car. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, motor's prepped, ready to be installed, and we did it, Team Individuals. We did it. And thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button. See you guys next video. And you know, if you work, you gotta eat. So we just got done with that flamethrower. This is that new product. You know what I'm saying? I want to get a piece because this looks really good. Alright, let's see. Damn, I got stuck. There we go. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button. See you guys next video. Alright, so I thought the video was over, but friend Eric wants to take the Z out. Probably do a little burnout, little donuts, but I don't know. I'm tagging along, and let's see what happens. It's my first time inside a Z.
Hey, go get gas before you do some dumb shit.
What, run out?
Yeah, like go get it in case something did happen. You had to dip out, go to take off, and you run out.
Hey, that steering wheel go crazy. Damn, I've never been in the Z before. This is crazy. I was up trapping early in the morning. Oh, we're scraping. We're scraping. Hold on. Let me put my seatbelt. Wait.
Yeah, good luck. Those things are a bitch.
There's no seatbelt? There's no seatbelt?
Alright. These ones, I don't with them though. They're too much.
Oh, damn. I forgot we're in the... Oh, damn. You're scaring me. This thing's pretty quick, low key.
I mean, it's alright. Let me see.
Hey, this thing goes. It's like my car, low key. It's like just as fast, to be honest. Damn. Should let me put my seatbelt on first, man. Scared me. I don't even know how to put the seatbelt on. You're on E though.
I know. I'll hit the gas station over here.
You're on E. Damn, bro. You should let me put on my seatbelt. I don't even know how this goes. Damn. Where's the donuts at?
I'm not gonna do donuts.
Yeah, damn, how long we gonna be here? Oh. Dang, I got scared. I thought that was a cop. Hey, that was pretty raw though. Not even joking, guys. I'm like low-key scared. Don't laugh at me. Just because there's no seatbelt, that's why I'm scared. What happened?
Wrong side. Haven't drove this car in a long time.
Damn. It runs good though.
Oh, yeah, it runs cool.
You got this for the low?
Huh? I ended up doing like trades and shit for it.
Trades.
Probably like 3 G's at the most.
Alright, so Eric's not here, but honestly, I'm really scared. Like, I'm really scared. No seatbelt. This car pulls. It is low. Let me show you guys how low it is. I mean, it's my first time inside a Z. Don't judge me. I didn't know how to get out of here. Oh man. Look at that. It looks good on the 19s. It really does look good on the 19s. Look at Eric. Real quick before he comes, I'm scared as I am scared as Hey, let's go for a ride. Alright, so we've seen a couple police pass by, so just in case we get pulled over, I'm just gonna wrap this seatbelt around so I don't get a ticket for no seatbelt.
I'm gonna just cruise this way for now. Till they go for a little bit.
Just act like I got a seatbelt on. Looks official.
This parking lot over here is it lit up?
Look, yeah, it is lit up.
Is it? Enough right here?
Yeah, you can see everything. It's lit up. You want to get it right here?
Yeah, you get on and I'll do it if you want.
All right. We got to dip right after you do it though.
Yeah. I'm out of here after.
Like dummy out.
Yeah, out. You ready?
Yeah. Look at all the smoke, look at all the smoke. Go, go. That was epic. That was really epic.
You think it did look tight or what?
Yeah, no, it did look sick. I'll show you the footage right now. Damn. Woo! God. Woo. Woo. It was fun while you were doing it?
Yeah.
This is a cool little fun car though. I used to bag on Z's, but they're pretty fast and they're pretty good. From my experience and this experience so far.
It wasn't really a car choice, but it looked clean. And I got it for a deal, so.
Yeah.
What, that had you like shaking?
Yeah, that little drift you did, like in the intersection. We made a right. I wasn't expecting it, low-key.
You could get another one right now.
Oh,
A little quick one.
his house is right here. Alright, go. Hey, that was pretty sick. Hey, you're pretty good, huh?
I could slide, good.
You can slide?
That was just a little mini one, though. Usually I do like 3 donuts right there.
Yeah, I hear the grinding. It's all good though. Yeah, man. This must be how people feel in my car, to be honest. God, that knocked my hat off. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the video right here, guys, for real this time. But you know, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe button. See you guys next video. Stay tuned. Notifications on. Do your thing. And it's all love. Ish Visuals, Team Ish Visuals, signing out. See you guys next vid.